Hi my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. Thank you for being here. I've been procrastinating for so long, so today I'm going to use my brand new air fryer for the very first time to make air fry plantains. So stay tuned for this video. I got this beautiful air fryer back in December time, and this is a Ninja brand. I'm obsessed with Ninja brand. This video is not endorsed, but I do love Ninja brands. I haven't used this yet. One plantain. If you do love plantain and you want to reduce your calories, which you can air fry. So that's what I'm doing today. You can cut it however you choose, but I want to angle it a bit. And I'll just transfer it to my bowl. And plantains are very sweet and nice. This doesn't need anything, but if you want to spice it up, you can always spice it up. I did a video back then when I baked plantain with cinnamon powder, and that was good. So check out that video. I just want to add a little bit of olive oil to it, just a little bit, just to coat it so that it's more moist. So I just shake it. So what I will do now is to preheat my air fryer. I'll do this for 5 minutes. So this is my very first time. Okay, so it's preheating. So I'll come back when it's finished, and then we'll put the plantain inside. Pull out the tray and I place my plantains in there. Just make sure that they're separated, they're nicely set out, and I'll insert the tray. So I'll set the timer for 15 minutes at 390 degrees. Hit the start button. So see you in 15 minutes time. So guys, I'm gonna pause this just to check on the plantains. At this stage, oh guys, they're very nice and brown. So what I'll do, I'll flip them over. I think I even will probably reduce the time remaining on it, because these are very nice. And I will reduce the temperature to 350 and leave it for the remaining time. So guys, it's finished. Take a look. Oh my god, they look so much like when I fried them. They're looking lovely. They're looking lovely. So let me go ahead and give it a taste, just to see how it comes out. Okay, I don't taste a difference in frying it and air frying it. Honestly, you should get yourself one of these and try this recipe. It's very tasty, and I love plantains. So this is plantain, less calories, even though I didn't mind with the calories, because plantain is one of my favorite. So stay tuned to my channel for more and more plant-based recipes and healthy recipes too. See you on my next video.